Greetings, Team Glazing Vision in UK. Today we are in Washington DC repairing damaged Skydoor. So we are looking at a original controller, and first thing we did, we checked the fuses. Then the both fuses are okay. One actually is a real fuse, another one doesn't lead to anything, but it's good to know that the second fuse is for future improvements. And developing for product further, or maybe for different applications. I don't know, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's an original fuse and a controller. That's the new controller that Jason sent me with the numbers and everything on it. So first I'm going to show you that this is connected and plugged in, and there is no power coming to it. Otherwise the LED light should be red on the keypad. Right now we're gonna swap the controllers, and I'm gonna show you that it's gonna work like it was supposed to, because of the new controller is in working order. So I'm gonna connect the power now. You're not gonna hear a beep, but there is a big beep. It's gonna be connected. Okay, and the red light is on. Now we're gonna open up the old controller and see what went wrong with it. I'm gonna fast forward here. It's a boring part of the investigation. Fast forward here, remove 4 screws, 2 screws on the top, 2 screws on the bottom, and slide the unit out. For now I'm gonna have the antenna connected, but later on I'm gonna remove that as well. You see the burnt mark? So everything works except the keypad. Right, I didn't do this trim on the bottom because the floor needs to be removed. It's way below, I can't get to it. But everything else is amazing. And the contractor here, he's gonna do it later. It's too hot today. Like over 45 degrees. Okay, thank you team, and we'll catch later.